Story time. So the other day I don't know what I was doing, but I had noticed some man and he was like with this girl that I know, and I'm not gonna name any names. And I was like, well, he's trouble because he's with those girls, right? These two certain women. Everybody talks about them now. Back then, they weren't very well known, or they didn't go viral. You know, like they were, we, you know, they were like highlighted in those hood news. But I ended up meeting him, and I thought immediately, that's a nautical, right? And I was like, well, this nautical ended up, you know, having a baby with one of the girls. And well, duh, right? Duh. So I was like, who cares? That's their life, right? And well, it turns out he's been messing with a bunch of people. And it turns out that I stuck up for some people that he was messing with. And I didn't ever want to get involved in things like that because I was like, that's a nautical. I know better. And, you know, I've been warned my whole life that those were the type of guys that would take girls like me. And so I was like, okay, um, I'm still going to do, you guys know, I'm still going to do my due diligence as a concerned citizen, as an activist, as a community leader, and I'll never back down. And next thing I know, for a while now, he's been stalking me. And at first I thought, oh, well, he's just checking it out because he was wondering what happened to certain me. Because, like, you know, me, for example, everybody already knew about on the internet, right? But I was thinking maybe he's just wondering what happened to that girl. And I was wrong. He was stalking me. So that's what happened. That's an update I have on Price Hill News. Hood News. I'm sorry. But this is my sandwich that I'm going to have for lunch. And I have something special waiting in the oven. And I hope you guys watch that. Oh, and by the way, this alleged nautical, I haven't even have the confirmation because he's from Mexico. So it's kind of not easy getting confirmations, especially with this government that I have to deal with now. Um, I'm talking about Sheinbaum. Everybody's calling her the nautical president because she's not cooperating with the drug war, and which is really awful because that's why Puerto Vallarta ended up having that situation. And um, but anyways, like I said, I don't know anything about Santos's cartel or whatever. I don't know. I'm just alleging that because the red flags in my brain that I was taught since birth. I'm from Texas, so you guys know um, parents in Texas are very aware of things like that, and they teach us that at young ages. So it set off all my red flags, and now I'm seeing him around our neighborhood, and I just wanted for you guys to be aware and stay vigil for your neighbors. And I know maybe you think it's a personal issue of mine, but I have also been in contact with authorities. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. My son de front. Bye bye.